I just wanted to take a moment of your time today to answer some of the questions I've been receiving about the two different programs that I offer. So if you have read any of my posts lately, you will know that I am in the process of relaunching the DIY Marketing with a Mentor program. I also have another program at a different level, which is completely one-on-one VIP program. So the DIY Marketing with a Mentor program is a low-cost program where I have provided all the foundational basics of marketing in an online course, which you go through at your own pace. However, at all times, I am there to answer your questions, either in a Facebook group or by email. And we have fortnightly live coaching calls, which either happen during the day or the evening. I always ask everyone's availability before I set them up each fortnight. And there you can ask questions of me and of the group, who are super supportive and helpful, about any of the marketing questions that you have, or even questions in business. We have a whole range of people in there who have a lot of different business experience and skills. So that's a really beautiful, supportive community. And we have a lot of fun. And that is a low-cost program. It's $497. And that's for a lifetime membership at this point in time. There will be an early bird discount on this round, which I will release to my subscribers. So if you want to get on my list, the link is in my bio or simply via the website, where you can find out more about the DIY Marketing with a Mentor program. The other program that I offer is a more intensive program. It's all that you need in marketing for your business, but it is one-on-one, and you get a lot of one-on-one time with me. You get 6 1-hour to 90-minute calls with me, either weekly or fortnightly, depending on the speed you want to go, or we schedule them as you need them. And that takes you through every single aspect of marketing your business that we do go through in the DIY program, but I do the work with you in the VIP program. We go through who your dream clients are, where they're hanging out, how you're going to speak to them, what your messaging needs to be, what your branding needs to be. And included in the VIP program, the one-on-one, is branding package. So we do a complete brand overhaul for you. We do a marketing plan for you for 12 months. We do a content plan. We can even help you draft up some blogs if that's what your business requires. And we build you a website. So it's a really big program and stacks of value from me. And obviously you get a branding package and a website out of it as well. That is a higher cost program. That's $9,997, but that cost can be broken up over the 12-week period. So a lot of people break it up over either 10 payments or 5. And I welcome everyone who is interested to ask me ask any questions of why they want to do each program, or what's in it for them, or where the value is. Obviously, from my perspective, and seeing my students go through the program, and seeing my one-on-one VIPs go through their one-on-one program, I see the outcomes for them and I see what they achieve. But of course, confidentiality, I don't share too much of that. But seeing the transformation in their business is absolutely spectacular. I was almost in tears on our DIY coaching call last night because of the feedback that I received. It was just incredible. And helping people and changing their lives and helping them amplify their message and help more people is basically why I do what I do. So I hope that answers some of your questions. And of course, hit me up if you've got any more questions, and I'm happy to answer them at any time.